down here in London, just coming to install a Datto unit, which is a brilliant backup solution. We're just having a bit of fun at the same time. So just here at Canongate down in London, we're installing a business continuity tool called Datto. These offices are really cool. I just want to give you a little walk around, have a look at it, have a look at this. So we're down here at Canongate in London, at the beautiful offices over here with all the beautiful people. Just as I said, putting in the business continuity tool. So keep posted. So we're actually just waiting for some gear at the moment to arrive. It being Christmas time, lesson what's that? Lesson 101. Try not to do too much work during December festive time.
Schedule for festive time.
That's it. Well, anyway, we're gonna have to make this one work. Enjoying a bit of a walk down the streets of where are we now? What area is this?
Couldn't tell you.
Somewhere in London.
Somewhere in London. It looks lovely.
Looks lovely. Anyway, we'll catch you later. Cheers. So the good news is the Datto's arrived. Going to take you through and give you a quick look at what's happening on this side. Datto unit down there. We've got Michael slaving away here. Let's go over his shoulder, see what's happening there. Excellent. This is the server room, and that's going to give them a wee box there. It's going to give them business continuity and the ability to be secure and know that their data is 100%. So that's a job all done. Michael, thanks. Datto installed, Gatwick Airport, back home. Had about 2 pints to celebrate. Gonna have a few more on that side. Catch you there. Cheers.